around Soi 4 in Bangkok, Thailand. Time now is around 1:45 in the afternoon. Now let's do this. So I'm gonna walk all the way down from here. I'm gonna go all the way down and try to go all the way down to the very end. So on my left, we got all the bars here. Morning, night, stumble in, big dogs. And obviously, right over there, Nana Plaza. World's largest adult playground. Is it? Maybe so. What's up, man? What's going on? Hillary 4, Hooters right here. And we got Nana just over here. On my right here, the Nana Hotel. And the swimming pool's right above the Striker Sports Pub. JW Marriott right behind that. Here's the Nana. Hooters, as I mentioned already. Street food here. Oh yeah. Dynasty Inn on my left. More bars. Rest Hub 2 Pub and Bar. Late Night Club on my right. I don't know, it used to be the Nana Disco. That used to be awesome back in the day. Ever since that shut down, it's been kind of shitty there. Every nightclub that goes there is shit. Hillary 2 on my left. Fitzgerald Irish Pub. Stop restaurant. Been here for a long time. It's a good place to eat. Good food. Hillary 4 bar. Another Hillary bar. So many of them everywhere. Soi 4. Hillary 1 right there. And this side street goes to Soi 2. A lot of Thai massage shops around here, as you can see. Most of them are all like, you know, happy ending, you know, oil, body massage, that kind of stuff, right? Nana City Hotel. How you doing? Nah, 50 baht, 1 hour. Nana City Hotel on my left. That gray building right there. And on my left is a Novotel. I have a hotel review on this hotel. Make sure you look at it. it's a great video. As most of my hotel videos are pretty good, not too bad. Some are better than others.
What's going on, buddy?
Hey, how you doing, man?
Good, how you doing?
Thai massage. Traditional massage. That's expensive here. Traditional, though. It's expensive, pricey. Cheaper places. It's not that hot right now. It's a little bit cloudy, so kind of makes this a little bit easier to do this walk. Heaven at 4 Hotel right here. It's a cheaper hotel to stay in. There's no swimming pool, but you know what? It's a pretty good hotel to stay in. I have good reviews about it, so another good hotel to stay on Soi 4. So many 7-Elevens on Soi 4. I think I passed already, like 5 already. So probably more to come. And on my left, there's a Darwin Hotel right over here. I stayed there as well. I have a hotel review on this hotel. My earlier hotel reviews, it's not the greatest, you know. I used my cell phone on those reviews, so the pool and I got the room. Make sure you check that out as well. There's another Abyss hotel right here on my left. It's got no swimming pool. The one over there by the that's connected with the Novo Hotel, that's the Abyss style, so you can use the Novo Hotel as swimming pool. That's a better better Abyss hotel to stay in. This one's kind of it's not that great. Omni Tower, I believe that's a hotel as well. I don't know anything about that hotel, never stayed there, so it's been there for a long time though. I'm sure it's decent. It's got a pool right up there, see? As we go down, Swan Massage, Salon and Laundry. Yeah, this is not the most exciting part of Soi 4. We passed the most exciting part already. The beginning, the first, you know, 4 minutes, 5 minutes of the video. That's where all the bars are and everything else, right? Now we're, you know, kind of going down towards the end. Try to make it down to the end. You know what? I'm gonna walk down to the Sawasdi, the Warraburry Hotel. I don't know if I correctly pronounced it properly, but you get the idea. We'll head down there. I'll show you it. That was one of the first hotels I stayed in. So it's been there like 15 years. That was like about 15 years ago. I used to stay there all the time. Back in the day, I was paying like $25 for a standard room, and they had like a nice pool in the top. Smaller pool, but it was nice and relaxing, and it was just a chill hotel. But it was kind of far from Nana Plaza, as you can see. I mean, I'm walking. Right now it's what, almost 8 minutes now, so it's like 8 minutes, an 8-minute walk to Nana Plaza basically. Depending how fast you walk, but you know there's motorcycle taxis over there, so I think they charge you like 20 baht, 30 baht from that hotel. I'll show you that hotel. We're almost there. you're enjoying this video so far, giving you an idea of what's on Soi 4. Just helping you out on the hotels you want to stay in, and if you want to stay on this Soi. Soi Street, those who don't know what Soi is, it's a street. Motorcycle taxis right over here. I believe the hotel's just on my right. Actually, no, it's further down. I even forgot how far it is. Yeah, there it is. See the green sign there? Oraburi Sukhumvit Hotel and Resort. So we'll walk over here. Maybe we'll walk even further down. We'll see how I feel. But another hotel to stay in. This is it on my left. See, it's a little bit, it's showing its age now. I remember when they first opened, and it was, it was a nice hotel. And they got a rooftop pool at the top, so this is it. Sawadee Kap. Get the bar down here. Breakfast over here as well, buffet in the morning. So go. Oh, it's a long ways. Yeah, we're almost at the end. Tell. Maybe we'll walk further down. Crystal Garden. I think that's a condo right over here on my right. It's a kind of funky building, man. Look at the size of it. Well, older building, but still pretty modern. Whatever. Okay. Walk across here. Yeah, so now we're going towards the end. Not much really else here. Probably a few laundry shops, apartments here, people live around here, so I think we're gonna end this here. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. Soi 4 on Sukhumvit Road. No thanks, man. They keep bugging me. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to Pattaya Sliman. I will appreciate it a lot. Mak mak in Thai. Chukki cup. Good luck. Enjoy your life. Cheers.